Hey guys, today I have discovered a free website that will pay you $400 for doing nothing since you will be using free software that will handle all of the work for you. I'll teach you how to do it right now. This is becoming one of the most straightforward methods of earning money online. So how do you go about doing it? This is how to earn $400 every day doing nothing. I will teach you how to profit from this on autopilot, so you may earn even more money without doing anything. This is one of the most effective ways to earn money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and you can start making money while lying in your bed or eating your lunch. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide. So, it doesn't matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way, you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method and you can be the first to use it and, of course, make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this website. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to come over to this website called Creative Jobs or CGI and see you don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need. Because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. Also, you can come to this website through Google. You need to go to Google and here in the search bar, you need to search for CJAI and see it just like this. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. Now you need to click on the first result that appears on this page. It will look like this. CJINC.info earned $3.50 per page worldwide online job for all. As you could see, this is a worldwide job for everyone. So no matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this website. On this website, you will be able to do different things in different jobs. There are actually a lot of them. But there is one job that we will be focusing on in this video. That job will pay you the highest for the littlest work. So alongside a free bot that will do the job for you and earn money for you, you will be able to work something else on this website. If you want and earn additional cash, you can do some of these jobs: market research typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. In that way, you can just earn more money. But again, it's only up to you if you want to work a little bit more and earn more cash. But of course, you don't have to do it because this bot will do all the work for you. And only with that, you will again earn a decent amount of money every day. And when you scroll down a little bit, you can see some testimonials from other people. As you can see, this girl is from the Philippines. This is from the United States, and this guy is from Australia. They work with this website every day, and they are earning money with this every day. So once again, you can see that this is a really worldwide method, and it is available to anyone who is interested in making money online. Now when you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see that this website was created in 2014. So it has been used for a long time, and it's survived because of its quality. Now before I show you how you can use this website and start making money immediately, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings. So make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now let's make some money. Now when you come over to the homepage of this website, you will see this menu on the top right corner of the page. There you can see options like Home, About, Requirements, Career, FAQ, and Contact. When you put your mouse over the Career button, you will be able to see even more jobs that this website is offering. When you actually click on the Career button, this website will show you all of the jobs that you are able to work with on this website. Now, as I said earlier, we will just focus on one job today from this website because the job will be able to work on autopilot. That is this job called Online Proofreading Jobs. As you can see, it will take you from fine of $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. You will need to correct grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and factual inaccuracies. But don't worry, you will not do anything on your own, because I have found a free bot that will do all the work for you. You don't need to know English, you don't need to be a fluent speaker whatsoever. I will show you exactly how this works. For now, you just need to click on this job. It will take you to this page where you will be able to find more information about the jobs, more job features, earnings, and so on. Now, you can read this if you want, but I have already told you everything that you need to know. Now I want you to scroll down here until you can see this orange button. Then click on this Apply for Jobs button. It will take you to this page where you need to click here on the Download Application Form. And you will see this registration form that you will need to fill out in order to work for this website. So the first thing is that you need to select your job, and it will be proofreading jobs. Then enter your full name here, your email address here, then date of birth, and select your gender here. Then you need to select here if you are married or here if you're unmarried. And you need to enter your contact number in this box here. After that, you need to enter your country here. And then you need to select your current profession status here. I highly recommend you to select employed and freelancer here, because then you will be marked as a professional and they will push more job offers to you. Then, what hours are you available to work? I highly recommend you to select both of these first two boxes here, because it will maximize the number of jobs that you will be getting from this website. Here I highly suggest you choose the second option because you will again earn more money. For the withdrawal option, you can choose whatever is the best for you. But of course, for me, the simplest way is PayPal. Here you need to check this box before the last step, which will be to leave your signature right here. After that, you just need to click on Submit. And congratulations, you have successfully registered to work with this website. You will start getting jobs from this website to your email address. Here is one example of those jobs. It will look something like this. As you can see, this is an article and you need to correct all the grammatical issues from it. I will show you right now how to do this in 1 minute or even less. First thing is that you need to copy this entire article. So select everything here and then simply click on Copy. After that, you need to come over to this website called Slick Write. This is the bot that will correct all the grammatical issues for you, and it will do all the work for you. Here you need to click on Start Writing and it will send you to this page. Here you need to paste the entire article that you just copied, then you need to click here to continue and just wait a little bit. And as you can see, it has corrected everything for you. Now you can simply copy the corrected text and you can submit it again on this website. You may repeat this process indefinitely and make as much money as you desire. That concludes today's video. Here, if you want to view my other videos, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell set on, so you don't miss out on any of our future money-making opportunities. Thank you for your time. Look forward to seeing you in the future video.